Algorand's EMA10 really shows a by and large descending pattern in a kind of significant manner. As far as Algo support floor, it in every way that really matters, is presently 29 cents in a sort of significant manner. Algo falls 0.61% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. Algorand generally is as of now esteemed at 12 cents 23 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, especially is Algo a genuinely wise interest in a very huge manner. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which really is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the Algo specialized examination, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the kind of current market conditions. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,207,461,109,687. Showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. The absolute exchanging volume really remains at $23,363,779,520, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is very huge, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level, after a vertical development of 1.17%, so Algorand support and obstruction levels, and so forth in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it certainly is presently 29 cents in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.7 and presently exchanging at $243.64, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending course, for in every practical sense, present moment, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. As of now, a sort of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large huge manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly is very huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers explicitly become genuinely more especially dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which merchants generally move extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $23,363,779,520 in a truly significant manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The ongoing Algorand cost fundamentally is 12 cents, with an exchanging volume of $35,179,261 in the beyond 24 hours, so yet prior to plunging profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the essentially current market conditions. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687. showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, Algo most certainly is up by 1.46% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $911,279 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in a quite large manner. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 23 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span, for the most part made sense of underneath, which by and large shows that Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at 12 cents 23 July 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through Algorand cost investigation for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What basically is certainly transient cost expectation for Algorand, basically is Algo a very wise interest in an essentially significant manner. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Algorand. Algorand sort of has in every way that really matters, break all its basically upholds levels, and things by and large are not looking great for the crypto market in a huge manner. Right now, explicitly bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively especially take Algo cost underneath the critical help level of 29 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While Algo's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign, for the most part is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algo United States dollar moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, is demonstrating a by and large present moment, certainly sell especially signal, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath exceptionally signal line which by and large means generally bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Algo coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 31, which most certainly shows